Hi there, my name is Marcus Lund.
The music is my escape into something bigger than myself. It sort of made me the resident playlist doctor at my school.
I really love sound.
Small sounds, big sounds, and everything in between. Spoiler alert, sometimes things change.
Because of the location of this tumor, you will lose your hearing.
I just can't help but thinking about all the sounds I'm never gonna get to hear.
Plan was simple. I would road trip across America, recording all my favorite sounds before my surgery. The ultimate playlist of...
Holy shit! Oh my God. Oh my God.
Hi, I'm Wendy.
I'm headed to New York.
How long till we get there?
We?
Ooh, are those fun pills?
What?
Oh no, they're sad pills.
Look at those eyes.
What are you doing? This is illegal.
I'd totally go to jail for those eyes.
So why a playlist?
Watching people listen to it will be the next best thing to hearing it again.
You ready?
Okay, go.
Life's worth of hearing crammed into just 1 month.
Stay by the door.
Marcus, what are the chances that we meet? It's crazy, but like, what if crazy was supposed to happen?
Well, I wonder where I'm going.
This is the last chance for me to hear what it sounds like to be alive.
I wish I could fly, but I can't reach. Now it's
Saying goodbye to something you love is hard.
above me. I open my eyes, but
A million thoughts are running through my head.
you're the only one that knows me.
But now, I see that life without sound is beautiful.
Well,